Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our civil 3D class. Today video is about how to incorporate several civil 3D design profile to a single profile. Now for that we must know this is our main alignment with the profile. This one is the design, this is the natural ground, the natural surface here, this one. Then we created assembly with 4% slope, and here we created a corridor. For this corridor, suppose if our utilities line passing here, it can be anything, this line and this line. You can take any point. Suppose it's passing here, it's passing here, anywhere it's passing. So there are two methods. We will discuss both of them today. One is static and the other is dynamic. So the first one, we will create design from this picture line of the corridor. For that I will go to profile. I will create profile from corridor. For that one, the first thing I will select the right side edge of travel way. Suppose this is edge of travel way, I will select this one and create corridor. I need the picture line of edge of travel way. From here it will create surface, and I will select this one as a right side. I will write RT for the right side, and here the profile style I will select the right sample profile. The label I don't need any label, I will click OK. If you can see here, the right side of the section is down from this certain elevation. You can see it's minus 47 almost. Okay, now let's select the left side. The left side corridor I will select, and I will select edge of travel way, and I will here write LT left side. Select the different type of profile style, so we will know there in the profile. Click OK and click enter, and now you can see the left side must be up according to our assembly, because this is plus. Here we have plus slope and there minus, so this side is above. The left side, if I hover there, you can see this is the left profile, design profile from the corridor, and this one is the right side. So like this we can create a design profile from the corridor. Okay, what the thing is which is not good here? Suppose if I change the design profile of the corridor will not change. So that's all. This is the method number one. I will go back from where I started. Okay. Okay, so the second method, how to create design profile which is dynamic. If I change the value, let's again repeat the same process. This only for practice, so it will not affect our. Okay, I will update my corridor. You can see from cross section also. Okay, I change the position. So the method number two is I will delete the old surfaces. So it will not create problem. Then I will create this. Okay. Now let's discuss the second method. How we will create a dynamic design for this edge of travel way. First of all, I will create offset from the center alignment. So going to the alignment, create offset, select the alignment. For both the side, I need one offset, and at any point you can take it. Suppose this edge of travel way is 11.8, so edge of, and this is a style of offset alignment with no label, and click OK. Okay, now as you can see, we have two elements on the right side and the left side. Minus 11.8. Okay, I will create profile for these two, but before creating profile, I will create top surface for this corridor. So my alignment will create the same elevation from that top surface. So I will click on the corridor, go to corridor surface, create link tabs icon. I will write tab corridor, and from here I will select tab link. I will this tab code, and here I will select boundary, right click, okay, apply, okay, and we have a new surface here now. Same you can see here. Click tab of corridor. I don't need this in my corridor, so I will disappear this one. Okay, now let's create profile for this alignment. I will select the first alignment. I will go to surface profile, the top surface. This the main road alignment which already here the design. So I will create it. This the surface, the top surface of corridor. It will create another profile for this one. Create here. Okay. Now you can see for the right side my depth travel way is here. Downside where the main alignment is here. This right side you can see here from the name of this alignment. Okay. For the left side again I will create a surface profile. I will add tab option corridor. Next create here the left side. You can see the left side is above the design level which we already saw. So elevation I will select automatically here. Okay. Now to incorporate these two on this one, I will select this profile. I will select superimpose profile, and this one the corridor top surface, and I will select the. From here, this you can limit your station range along the source alignment. From here, even check you can select the start and end point. Accuracy you can select, but we will let it as it is and apply and OK. Now you can see the one alignment appear here. Right side is below. Again the same process. I will select the profile view, select superimpose profile, select the left side, then select the destination. Same process. OK. Now you can see the left side is above, the right side below. From here you can change the style, the name, or you can right click anything. You can go to and here is properties, right click and then go to style. You can change the style, but I will let it is so. If I delete, okay, so the best thing about this one, if I change this is the top one and this the bottom one. If I change the design, now you can see the profile of the left side and right side also change with it. So this is the dynamic method for how you can create utilities or your edge of travel way profile in the single single 3D profile. This was the two method. So you can adjust according your design profile according to your utilities, and you can incorporate here how many profile you have, you can incorporate here. So this was today video. Hopefully you will practice on it. Okay, thank you.